eyes, we have reached this stage where the prospects of Goa surviving on its own with the type of leadership and governance, it looks very bleak. 8 तारखेर एप्रिलाचे 2018 आमचे सगळे खूबशे एक्टिविस्ट, खूबशे कन्सर्न सिटीजन, environmentalists, economists, doctors, people from various professions came together and we decided to form an organization. And ताजे नाव आमी दिलें गोंयचो आवाज. There was a reason for taking this name गोंयचो आवाज. आमकां खबर आसा, in a democracy there is a ruling dispensation and there is the opposition. The opposition echoes the voice of the people. जो लोकांचो आवाज आसा, जे लोकांक बरें लागता, वायट लागता, तांणी वो आवाज on the floor of the assembly गाजोवपाक जाय. And in Goa, the voice of the people naturally will be गोंयचो आवाज. But आमी पळयल्लें in the assembly for last many years, जो ऑपोजिशनाचो आवाज जांक आशिल्लो तो आवाज बंद पडलेलो. And then we had to come to the streets and do the duty of the opposition. And we took the name of गोंयचो आवाज. ही जी चळवळ जाल्ली आसा, द स्ट्रगल, हें कित्याक करचें पडलें? Since last many years we have been seeing massive destruction of Goa, sellout of Goa. जेन्ना 2017 इलेक्शन जालें, तुमकां खबर आसा, today's ruling dispensation had lost the mandate of the people. But तांकां कांय फरक पडोंक ना. They bought the MLAs from the opposition. Rather, the ones who were supposed to form the government, तांचे wholesale घेतले. आमकां खबर आसा what type of wholesale buying and selling is going on. Whether it was the casino money, real estate money, gambling money, all this type of vices have come, and ye poishe is used to buy the MLAs. Aise te gulam jalle asa, awaz band jallo asa. One issue after the other. First, when we formed the organization called गोंयचो आवाज, we formed it to fight against the ill-conceived regional plan. The planan, they had laws which everything was converted into settlement. Whether amchi bhata, sheta, dongor, rana, everything was there for sale. And no Goan could buy that. No Goan could afford. Sagle aile. Whether you call Delhi party or Hoichi, they came with cartloads of money and amche zomni victor घेतल्यो. Where would our future generations go? ये जे आमचे youth आसा, भुरगीं आसा, खंय वेतली, खंय रावतली? In a very short span of time, they would be aliens in their own land, the land of their ancestors. आयज तर आमी बरें life जियेल्ले is because thanks to our ancestors, तांणी आमची जमीन सांबाळून दवरलेली, आमचे दर्या, आमची शेतां, भाटां, दोंगर सगळे सांबाळून दवरलेले. एका शॉटान तांणी सेटलमेंट करून विकून काडले. आफ्टर द रिजनल प्लॅन तुमकां खबर आसा कसले कसले कायदे हाडले. बी इट द TDR 16B, मागीर फॉर्मलिनाचें जालें. सगळे वॉज अ डायरेक्ट अटॅक on Goans and on the state of Goa as a whole. मागीर ते आमच्या दर्यांचेर गेले. You are aware how the sacred river of Madai, जे आमचो सरकार including the chief minister kept assuring us that Madai is my mother, म्हजी आवय, ती काय विकून काडली. That is the type of level of governance we have come to. The lows that the government has hit. We were forced to come onto the streets every now and then And what type of governance they were giving. Amchi GDP at one time was the highest in India. We used to feel proud. The GDP of Goa is very high. Amchi literacy rate was very high. The education level was good. I spoke geller. Where is our GDP? What is the rate of employment and unemployment? What is the quality of education that we have in Goa? आमचो health sector खंय पावुल्लो आसा. Whatever the health schemes are being rolled out is only for their own profits, for their greed. Goa is collapsing as a state, or almost collapsed. And poru, jenna pandemic hit Goa as well as the whole country, the whole world, the Prime Minister announced a lockdown. आमका सरकारान सांगले तुम्ही भितर रावा, be safe. The Prime Minister came out with a term called Atmanirbhar. And at that time, आमचा दोतोर बाब जो आसा, the Chief Minister, who my colleague Shri Swapnesh Shellekar सदांच म्हणटा, CM in Goa does not stand for Chief Minister, it stands for Chief Manager. He is only managing MLAs, खंयचे विकते घेवपाचे, खंय कितें घालपाचे, रातयां कशें कितें करपाचे. He is a Chief Manager. He coined a new term called Swayampoorna Goy. Atmanirbhar India आणि Swayampoorna Goy. Self-reliant. And you all must have seen a few days back, Sindhudurga Gello. What did he say? Swayampoorna is impossible. We have to be dependent on them. If we have such a government, a chief minister who believes on being dependent on other states, tumka kaltale in the days to come, in the years to come, goinche kide जातले पयते. आयज कसली परिस्थिती आसा. आणि जेन्ना पॅन्डेमिक जालें, लॉकडाऊन जालें, आमकां सांगलें तुमी भितर रावा. आमी भितर रावले. सरकारा कडेन कोऑपरेट केलें. And that is the time we came to know, आमकां भितर दवरले, and they brought destructive projects like Naushi Marina, double tracking, expansion of national highways, 400 kV transmission line. आमी भितर आशिल्ले म्हळ्यार भायर येवचे पडले आमकां. We studied the entire projects, all the projects in detail. We have a huge team. सगळे शिकुल्ले भुरगे, north, south, entire Goa. And we came to know that there was a fraud being carried out on the people of Goa. Double tracking, national highway expansion was only meant to transport coal, which was not meant for Goa, but for other states, companies in other states. And who was supposed to benefit? Crony capitalists like Adani, Jindal, हांकां फायदो जावपाचो आशिल्लो. Who are these people? Who are these crony capitalists? आयज ते सरकाराक कंट्रोल करता. Today you must have read in the newspapers, you have got the first stage clearance for forest. या सरकारान, controlled by the crony capitalists, they have given a green signal to cut the forest. Over 50,000 trees will be felled. फक्त crony capitalists फायदो करपा. And जेन्ना we hit the streets to oppose this, we started conducting awareness programs across Goa. And that was the time आमचे जे गोंयचे youth आसा, थोडेशे युथांक आमचे बराबर आयल्या, because today we have told them, you have to lead Goa. But as the awareness programs progressed in each village, south cover केले, northak भितर सरले आमी, village after village. That was the time we could hear some murmurs from the youth. परते परते म्हणपाक लागले, केन्ना पासून आमी रस्त्यांचेर ही झगडी करतले. They were speaking their minds and hearts out. They said, या सरकाराक कान ना, भेरे जाल्ले आसा, दोळे ना, दोळ्यांचेर पयशांची पट्टी मारलेली आसा, तोंड्यान पैशाचो गुड्डो मारलेलो आसा. वो केन्ना पासून आमी भोंवतले ऑन द स्ट्रीट्स आनी तांकां विचारले आमी, वी हॅव टू कंटिन्यू दीस स्ट्रगल, वी कॅनॉट गिव अप. आताची तरणाटीची, टुडेज youth, they said, we don't believe in all these southern streets sanjay raopache. We want you all as going to Awas to enter the political ring, the political battlefield, because they had interacted with some of the ministers and they found that the knowledge that they have, the level of intelligence and intellectuality was zero. They only knew how to rob Goa. And Tani amka sangle, we have to. We tried to convince them. We were reluctant. And when we reached Shiolim, Ratcho jenna program zalo, I remember that night, sagle youthani amka surround kele. And we said, we won't allow you to leave Shiolim till you all don't give us that word that you all are going to go political. And that is the time amchi goinchi Awaz as NGO, the core committee and the executive committee met. आम्ही डिस्कस केले, this is what is the demand of the youth. आणि finally we had to introspect, debate, brainstorm, and finally we involved the youth in our meetings, in our brainstorming sessions. And their thinking was very clear. They said we have to go political, and we had to bend before them, accept their request, accept their demands. And eyes hami angasa, which we say is a historic day, not only for Goincho Awaz, but for Goa, for the youth, for the future generation, those who have not yet been born. And आम्ही एक promise करता तुमका कि we will live up to the vision which has been displayed. गोंयच्या आवाजान जे टीम एक विजन काढला, आम्ही एक मिशन आसा आमचे, आम्ही त्या मिशनाचेर चलतले.